Diagnosis and treatment is less complicated than you may think. Dr. Sabrina Magid of Advanced Dentistry of Westchester, a lecturer to dental societies and a member of the American Academy of Dental Sleep Medicine, tells us about this important medical condition.
For years, snoring has been a problem in my marriage. My wife and I don't even sleep in the same bed on occasion, and my grandkids tease me.
Although snoring itself is a social and marital problem, it can also be an indicator of obstructive sleep apnea, a condition where your airway becomes completely blocked and your brain wakes you up with a gasp to resume breathing. This can occur hundreds of times each hour throughout the night, leaving you with no restful sleep at all. With a blocked airway, your body lacks the oxygen it needs, and serious medical conditions can occur. If sleep apnea is not treated, it can lead to chronic sleepiness, heart attacks, strokes, high blood pressure, depression, acid reflux, impotence, and other medical problems.
Custom-designed oral appliance therapy is a simple solution that could be the answer to help you get the healthy sleep you need.
The tongue and jaws are the main reasons that the airway becomes blocked during sleep. We can make a custom oral appliance that helps keep them forward. It fits like an athletic mouthguard, and most people find it to be a very comfortable and convenient treatment.
For many patients, treatment can be life-changing.
Ever since Dr. Magid made the appliance for me, I feel great. My wife tells me I'm not snoring. I have so much energy that I've been playing tennis again, and I lost weight. My doctor decreased my blood pressure and reflux medications. My quality of life is so improved. I can't thank Dr. Magid enough. It's just been marvelous.
Dr. Sabrina Magid of Advanced Dentistry of Westchester can help you get the life-enhancing sleep you need.
One of the first things that people notice when they look at you is your smile, but smiling may not come so easy for you if you're missing teeth.
Dr. Carl Earn of Putnam Dental Associates, located in Brewster, New York for over 20 years, takes pride in restoring and enhancing your natural smile through state-of-the-art dental implant technology that's sure to make you smile with confidence again.
The most common reasons for missing teeth are due to untreated tooth decay, gum disease and infections, trauma to the teeth, or congenitally missing teeth. One missing tooth can lead to other missing teeth as the adjacent teeth tip and shift. These bite changes can cause trouble chewing, which can lead to malnutrition, speech changes, and cosmetic changes, all of which can result in loss of self-esteem, confidence, withdrawal from social life, and depression.
I'm a realtor, and I work with the public every day, and I was very unhappy with the look of my teeth. My smile wasn't as fresh as I had hoped it would be.
Dental implants can have a success rate of better than 95%. An implant is like a small screw made of titanium which fuses directly to the jawbone as it heals. The same materials are used in knee or hip replacements.
Now let's learn about the different choices of dental implants.
Dental implants can be used to replace one or several missing teeth, to anchor a removable denture, or to permanently replace an entire arch of missing teeth. Because an implant replaces not only the crown part of a tooth, but the root as well, they will help to preserve the remaining jawbone. While there are a few medical contraindications, pretty much anyone can be a candidate for dental implants, especially people who don't want perfectly good teeth filed down to make a bridge, or people frustrated by removable dentures that just don't stay in place and are sick of gooey denture adhesives.
I loved working with Dr. Earn. He explained everything to me, and I knew in advance what was going to happen, and when it happened, it was pain-free. Every question was asked. It felt like a real collaborative effort, and it was a great experience. So professional, the work is just outstanding, and the relationships are great, and it's just so easy in every way, and the results are fantastic.
Putnam Dental Associates, where high tech blended with high touch creates personalized, beautiful smiles. Many of us lead very busy lives, and finding the time to go to the dentist can be difficult. Today, we'll discover the E4D dentist system, high-tech CAD/CAM technology that offers same-day dentistry. We spoke with Dr. Dean Vafiadis of New York Smile Institute to learn why the E4D dentist system is fast becoming the choice for many people.
The E4D software and CAD/CAM technology now allows us to make a tooth in one visit. The patient doesn't have to come back for a second visit, and additional injections are not necessary. This allows us to make a tooth right here when the patient's waiting in less than 60 minutes.
I was actually referred by a couple local dentists, some well-respected dentists in the city, who told me that Dr. Dean would be able to not only match the tooth but do it all in one visit. One dentist was positive she could do it very well, but she said it would take a lot longer and it would be more annoying for me, so she sent me here to Dr. Dean.
Well, it was great. I actually come in from New Jersey to be treated by Dr. Dean, so the fact that I could come in once was a tremendous help, because it just, you know, we have busy lives. I have 4 children, you know, many family commitments, work commitments, so it really limited how much time I had to be away from my family and you know, all the other commitments that we have in our lives.
I've been practicing dentistry for 22 years, and to be able to make a tooth in one visit is really astonishing. The software is fascinating, it's very accurate, and really CAD/CAM technology is where dentistry is going in the next 5 years.
Dr. Vafiatis tells us how this fascinating dental technology works and why it's the future of dentistry.
The way the E4D works, it actually scans the patient's tooth after the doctor has prepared it. That computer image is sent to the computer, and now on a design screen, the actual doctor can actually make the tooth the way it's supposed to be, with the right contours, the right bite position, the right contacts, and that makes for a better crown for the patient. Once the design is accepted and approved, it's sent to a milling unit, a milling station, where the actual block of porcelain, a high-grade ceramic material, is milled into the perfect tooth. CAD/CAM technology for our patients has really been innovative, advanced technology that the patients really have adapted to. Nobody wants to come back for a second visit and multiple injections. We foresee the next 5 to 10 years, every dentist will have a CAD/CAM crown-making machine.
With my tight schedule, it's tough to get away from the office, so saving the extra time was great. Didn't have to come back for a second visit, and the tooth looks great.
This was just a tremendous help, and I was very impressed with the technology and Dr. Dean's expertise in doing this.
New York Smile Institute. You can have a perfect and beautiful smile that says it all in just one day.
Let's face it, very few people are born with a perfect smile, and a lot of us have something about our smile that we would like to change.
Maybe you'd like straighter teeth, whiter teeth, or the smile of a movie star. You've probably thought about getting braces, but don't want to deal with the look of metal braces or the discomfort. We spoke with Dr. Sasan Rastegar, whose 24 years of serving New York area patients has led to his reputation as one of New York's leading dentists for cosmetic dentistry. Dr. Rastegar tells us about Invisalign, the modern alternative to traditional metal braces.
In my practice, I have treated patients as young as 11 years old and patients all the way to 75 years old. The most common problems we can correct with the help of Invisalign are crowding, spacing, open bite, overbite, crossbite, repositioning of the teeth, so placing the final restoration like laminates or crowns on them would produce better cosmetic results.
I came to Dr. Rastegar just for regular cleaning and maintenance on my teeth, and I told him that I'd already completed an Invisalign program with another dentist, and that my jaw was bothering me and that my bite was not aligned, so there was discomfort. So he took a look, and I explained that I only had the Invisalign done on the top teeth, so he said, you know, you can't take shortcuts, so he actually did the program from the beginning successfully with both my top and bottom teeth.
To fabricate aligners for Invisalign treatment, your dentist takes accurate molds of the upper and lower arches. These molds, along with pictures and x-rays of your teeth, are sent to the Invisalign company. A very accurate scanning of these records produce a computer simulation that shows how every tooth will move, what the final positioning of every tooth will be, and how long it will take to complete the treatment. Upon approval of this computer simulation, all aligners are fabricated and sent to your dentist. You then receive a set of new aligners every 2 weeks until your treatment is completed. Every set of new aligners move the teeth slightly toward the final positioning of the teeth. People love Invisalign over conventional braces for many reasons. It is nearly invisible and discreet.
So I'm really happy. I feel like my teeth are as perfect as they're ever going to be.
Dr. Sasan Rastegar clearly knows how to create great smiles. Set up your Invisalign consultation by July 31st of 2012 and receive a $2,000 discount on treatment. Well, we have given you a lot of information today. We hope it's been interesting and will prove helpful. Again, if you missed any of the phone numbers, please call this one, 1-800-984-2010. For all of us on the program, I'm Ernie Bjorkman. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us next time for the American Health Front.
Accommodations provided by the San Carlos Hotel, one of the most elegant, stylishly sophisticated New York hotels in Midtown Manhattan, offering spacious accommodations, plush furnishings, and warm, personable service. Centrally located within walking distance to New York's best shopping, dining, and nightlife, just blocks away from Rockefeller Center and Radio City Music Hall. Experience the San Carlos Difference, one of the few 4-star luxury boutique hotels where daily continental breakfast, wireless internet, 24-hour business and fitness center is provided on a complimentary basis. Not to mention the nightly turn-down service and daily newspaper delivered to your room door. The San Carlos Hotel, New York's best-kept secret on the East Side.